But today I want to talk to you. I had this question come in, and the question was hose reels, and it was dealing with powered versus non-powered hose reels. And I'm going to take the question a little bit further. I'm going to go aluminum versus metal. So we have two hose reels right here. I'm going to see if I can bring it in here a little bit better so you can actually see. So I have the top one, which is aluminum, and we bought those at the same time. And we have the Titans here. I want to show you the difference here. The biggest thing I want to show you here is we bought all these hose reels at the exact same time. I bought that aluminum one and all the Summit. So these are called Summit hose reels. Those are called Titan hose reels. So the biggest thing I wanted to show you about these are so first I'll go this way. First off, we're going to go powered versus non-powered. So powered hose reels are amazing, honestly. They are. They save you time. They save you energy. You don't work as hard, and all that great stuff. So, can you get away with unpowered hose reel? Absolutely. When we started out, that's all we had. If you look up here, right up there, those are all old hand cranked reels. So, I'm going to give you the pros of the powered, and I'm going to give you the cons of the power. I'll give you the pros of the hand and the cons of it. So the pros of the con, the pros of the con. The pros of the powered hand reels is you can push this button and it rolls itself up. Pretty freaking amazing, right? So when you're done house washing and you're tired, you can come over here and powers it right in. Makes life a lot easier. It saves you time. It saves you energy. You're not sitting there cranking up. These are all pros. All right. So the cons. The cons are, first off, is price. This hose reel right here is the Summit, and you're looking at about $450. And you can see that they're rusting, right? $450. Now, this is because we have employees and they might not be cleaning them and all that kind of stuff, and that. You also have the Titans. Those are about $650. That's right, $650 a piece. So electric is a lot. Now, if I was going to buy electric, I would definitely go with aluminum. They last a lot longer. I've had absolutely no problems out of that Titan over there. Out of these Summits, you got the solenoids go bad. I haven't had to replace that solenoid at all since I've had them, and that one's almost 3 years old. These here, I've had to replace them. I replace them with that solenoid, but the way they protect that solenoid, it does work better. The solenoid is your cons on these. When the solenoid goes bad, which they will, whether water gets in there or whatever, it will go bad. It will not retract, and that is an issue. And that's a big issue. So, and then you're sitting there and you're rolling it up by hand. So that marks some cons of that is probably the number one con other than price range is the rolling up. So we roll it up and all that great stuff. Now we go to the hand crank reels where we hand crank them up. One of the pros is you can get them for $200, $250 all day long. So I can get 2 or 3 hand crank reels for the price of one of these, or one of the Summit. That is a pro. Now, does it take time? Yep, you got to sit there and roll that hose up, and it does take a little bit of time to roll that hose up. And honestly, if you're on a budget, go with the hand cranks. That little, it might take you an extra 5 minutes and a little bit more energy to do it. But honestly, if you're in budget, I would go with that. The reasons why we went with this right here is because we wanted to run one-man trucks and not two. So if you got two, you can have one person roll them up and the other person can kind of get a break. And so we wanted to run man trucks, and our goal was to try to get 4 jobs out of that truck. Now we're down to 3, but the goal was 4, 4 jobs per truck. So that is the reason why we went with the hand crank or the powered wheels. Like I say, the hand crank ones are a lot cheaper and they're a lot less problems. We have problems out of these all the times with solenoids or just stupid stuff of solenoids, usually of water getting in them and that kind of stuff. So I hope that helps you out. I hope you have a great day. And if you would like to learn about more stuff about pressure washing, check out this video. If you would like to learn about employee stuff and how to get your first employee, check out these videos here. Thank you and have a great day.